Okay, with 17, you can do 17 really two ways. One way would be to basically do like a 3x3 and set it up. And this is going to be the long way, essentially, of doing it. Would be to do like a 3x3. If you don't see that there is a trick or a shortcut, so if I do that, if I do it the regular 3x3 way, so I'm going to have 4y here, and then I need to distribute that negative to everything, so I have negative 3x and then negative 2. Do the same thing with the other one and have 4y plus 3x and positive 2. Okay, so the long way would basically be to, first off, making sure you distribute that negative and then just multiplying everything straight through. So if that happens and you go kind of the long route, then I would have 16y squared minus 12xy minus 8y plus 12xy, and then plus 8y, and then negative 9x squared minus 6x plus 6x, and then negative 4. So what's going to happen in a few different places, like what's going to happen with the 6x and the negative 6x? They're going to cancel. What's going to happen with the negative 8y and the positive 8y? They're going to cancel. Same way then with the 12xy and the negative 12xy. So realistically, the only thing I'm going to have here is going to be right through the middle. Yep. Oh, yep. So then that's still a negative 6x. So then those two combine there. Now we good? Negative, positive, got it. So then what I would do is have 16y squared minus 9x squared minus 12x minus 4. Now, realistically, what this is, though, is a difference of two squares. It's really like, because I have 4y and I have 4y. So if you see that it's really just a difference of two squares, or that I can take 4y squared minus 3x plus 2 squared, because all they are conjugates of each other. So it's still going to give you the same thing in terms of having 16y squared and then minus, okay, and then just multiplying 3x plus 2 and squaring it. So 3x squared is 9x. 3 times 2, or 3x times 2 is 6x times 2 is a positive 12x. And then 2 squared is a positive 4. but whenever I distribute that negative to everything, I'm still going to get 16y minus 9x squared, it should be a squared, minus 12x minus 4. We still get the same answer that we did before. Okay? Either way, okay, is going to be right. Whichever way you choose to do it, whether it be doing it this way or doing it kind of the longer way and doing it as a 3 by 3. The biggest thing that I would tell you if you're going to do the 3 by 3 is making sure with that negative that you distribute it in there. Okay, that's going to be your, if there's going to be a mistake that gets made other than not knowing that negative 3x and positive 2 is a negative 6x like I did,